Welcome to the Piedmont Technical College Library, where you can hit the books with a click. The library is wherever you are, online or at one of our campuses in Greenwood, Abbeville, McCormick, Edgefield, Saluda, Newberry, and Lawrence. Today, we will be taking a quick tour of the library website to help new students and seasoned library users find the library resources they need to succeed. Let's start with finding the library website. There are a couple options. First, you can type in our URL, ptc.edu/collegeresources/library, which is located under the College Resources tab of PTC's website. You can also log into Pathway and click the library link on the left-hand side of your screen. In addition to the library at the Greenwood campus, we also support the Learning Resource Centers at PTC's county campuses. If you want to borrow a book from another campus, please reach out to us and we will ship it to your campus. To contact us or find out more about our physical locations, please refer to the Library Hours, Locations, and Contacts link at the top. Next, the online catalog allows you to search our print and electronic resources in one place. The A to Z databases provide curated collections of digital library resources. A few examples of databases are the New York Times, Opposing Viewpoints and Context, and Films on Demand. Off-campus access to digital resources is a little different. If you are accessing a library database from home, you'll be asked to sign in with your P number and 6-digit date of birth. To help you navigate all these options, we created research guides and tutorials to act like treasure maps and help you steer clear of information overload. Here you will find librarian recommendations for finding sources and citing them for programs and classes such as healthcare and English. This is also where you will find answers to frequently asked questions, online tutorials to level up your library skills, instructions for using the online catalog, and more. There's a lot of information out there, and sometimes finding the right information can feel like searching for a needle in the haystack. If you ever feel like you've hit a roadblock in your search and can't find what you're looking for or aren't sure where to begin, ask a librarian for help through the 24/7 chat. We're here to be your guides. And if the book or article you are looking for isn't available at the PTC Library, we can help you request it from another library through Pascal Delivers or Interlibrary Loan. Now that we've covered the basics, you are ready to embark on your quest to explore, engage, and excel in learning with the PTC Library. Let's get started.